Polynomial is a combination of many terms. Now here 2x plus 4. This is a polynomial which is a combination of two terms. This is also termed as expression. When this is equated to 0 or any non-zero number, then this becomes an equation. Now this is a linear equation because its degree is 1. We can say it as linear equation with one variable because here only one variable is present. We know about the constant, that is a 2, 4. These are the constant and x is a variable. Variable are those whose value can be changeable. All these things we had studied in previous classes. Now if its degree is 1, this is a linear equation. When its degree is 2, let us suppose 2x square plus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. Here this is a quadratic equation because its maximum degree is 2. Now what is our degree? Degree is a maximum power of the variable. If we look at this equation, then this is of degree 1 and this is also a variable whose maximum degree is 2. So here maximum degree of variable is 2, so this is a quadratic equation. Now definition of quadratic equation, it is defined as an equation whose maximum degree is 2. That is called an quadratic equation. Now we will discuss about the standard quadratic equation, its standard form. Now standard form of quadratic equation is written as ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a should be non-zero because if a is getting 0, then 0 into something will be also 0. Now it will become bx plus 0. If this is of the form bx plus c equal to 0, now it will not remain a quadratic equation, rather it will become a linear equation with one variable, which we had studied in this. Now that's why a should not be equals to 0. This is called its standard form. Now here x is a variable and a, b, c are the constant terms. Now next is what are its various methods. What are its various methods through which quadratic equation can be sought out? So there are basically 4 methods by which we can solve this quadratic equation. Our first form is completing square method. Completing square. Second is quadratic formula. Third one is factorize. Fourth one is graphic method. So these are 4 formulas with the help of which we can find out any quadratic equation. But among these 4, only 3 are in our syllabus. Fourth one is not in our syllabus. So we will study about only these 3 methods. Now we will solve this equation by completing square method. First of all, we will divide this equation with 2. So it will become x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0 by dividing it with 2. Now x square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1. This is already a square, so x a square plus b square plus 2ab x plus 1 square equals to 0. So x plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. Either x plus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. Then either x plus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 1 and minus 1. So this is the solution of the equation. So hence by completing square method we can solve this equation with this. Let us consider a quadratic equation 2x square plus 4x plus 2 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation because its maximum degree is 2. Now we will do with the various three methods we had discussed in the previous part. So here 2x square plus 4x plus 2 equals to 0. Now we will factorize it firstly. So for that we will multiply these extreme points. Extreme terms are 2x square and 2. So 2 into 2 4. So हमें ऐसे चेक करना है कि हमारे मल्टीप्लाई करने पे ये 4 आए और एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन करने पे भी ये 4 आए. So हम अगर 4 के फैक्टर्स बनाते हैं तो 2 into 2 4. So there are 2 into 2. Now 2 plus 2 is also 4. So 2x square plus 2x plus 2x plus 2 equals to 0. That is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. हमने 4 को ऐसे फैक्टराइज करना है दो पार्ट्स में कि हमें इनकी एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन मिडिल टर्म के इक्वल हो जाए. नाउ हम इन दोनों को में से 2x कॉमन निकाल लेंगे तो हमारे पास बच जाएगा x plus 1. Similarly from these two extreme terms, from these two terms 2 is getting common. X plus 1 equals to 0. So x plus 1 is common. पहली चीज ये है कि हमें ये चीज ध्यान देना चाहिए कि x plus 1 दोनों में कॉमन आना चाहिए. अगर ये फैक्टर कॉमन नहीं आ रहा दैट मीन्स पीछे वाले कोई स्टेप में मिस्टेक चल रही है. x plus 1 2x plus 2 equals to 0. So taking 2 common from this factor x plus 1 equals to 0. अब 2 can never be equals to 0. So rest will be x plus 1 and x plus 1 equals to 0 such that 2 can never be equals to 0. So this is called the factorization method. With the help of these we can solve this quadratic equation. That is we can find the value of x. So either x plus 1 equals to 0, either x plus 1 equals to 0 or x plus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 1. From here also x equals to minus 1. तो ये हमारे पास दो फैक्टर्स आ गए, दो वैल्यूज आ गई x की जो हमने इस इक्वेशन से फाइंड आउट करी. Now we will do it with the quadratic formula. For that we will equate this equation with the standard form. This is of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a is 2, b is 4, c is again 2. We will put the formula. Discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. Now b square is 4 square minus 4 into 2 into 2. That will become 16 minus 4 into 4 16 which equals to 0. So here discriminant is 0. Now for finding the solution of this equation we have formula minus b plus minus under d upon 2a. That will become minus 4 plus minus under root of discriminant is 0 upon 2 into 2. So minus 4 upon 4 that will be minus 1. So here x equals to minus 1. Now because it is of degree 2 so its root should be 2. Here is x equals to minus 1. One thing is noted out that if discriminant there are three type of the nature of roots that are termed as nature of roots. अगर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इक्वल टू 0 आता है, अगर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट लेस देन 0 आता है, अगर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट ग्रेटर देन 0 आता है. कोई भी चीज या तो सेकंड चीज के इक्वल होगी या उससे लेस होगी या उससे ग्रेटर होगी, इसके अलावा तो कोई केस नहीं बनता। तो अगर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इक्वल टू 0 आता है तो दोनों रूट इक्वल्स होंगे, इक्वल रूट्स। अगर वो लेस देन 0 है तो उनके कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट्स बनेंगे। अगर ग्रेटर देन 0 आता है तो उनके रियल रूट्स होंगे। Now here discriminant is equal to 0 तो उनके दोनों रूट इक्वल होंगे, that means the another root will also equals to -1 because its degree is 2, so there should be two roots. So because discriminant equals to 0, so here will be two roots that are -1 and -1. So in this way one can solve any equation with these three methods. Now we will do first question. Check whether the following equations are quadratic equation or not. हमने ये चेक करना है कि ये equations quadratic equation हैं कि नहीं. Now we will solve it. X plus 1 whole square. We had already done the identity of algebra, that is a plus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now here is x plus 1 square, so that will become x plus 1 square equals to x square plus 1 plus 2x. Now taking right hand side 2 times x minus 3, it will become 2x minus 2 into 3 6. Now here x square plus 1 plus 2x equals to 2x minus 6. X square plus 1 plus 2x, this is equals to 2x minus 6. Now we will taking this on left hand side, x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 2x plus 6 equals to 0. Whenever we are taking these terms to the left hand side, then sign of these terms will be getting changed. Here it is in plus sign will change into negative 1, and here 6 is of negative sign will change into positive 1. So positive and negative will get cancelled out, so we are left with x square. 6 plus 1 is 7 equals to 0. Now this is of course a quadratic equation because it can be written like x square plus 0 into x plus 7 equals to 0, and our quadratic standard equation is of a form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So here a is 1, b is 0, c is 7. This is a quadratic equation. So answer is yes. It is a quadratic equation. Now let us solve second part. Here is x square minus 2x equals to, when we will multiply minus 2 into the bracket. Minus 2 into 3 will be minus 6. Minus 2 into x will be plus 2x. Now taking to the left hand side, x square minus 2x plus 6 minus 2x equals to 0. Again sign of these two terms will be changed whenever we are taking these to the left hand side. So we are left with x square, 2x and 2x will be minus 4x plus 6 equals to 0. So yes, this is a quadratic equation because it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a is 1, b is minus 4, c is 6. So yes, it is a quadratic equation. Now let us do third one. So here we will multiply these two factors, that will become x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. We will solve these factors present on the right hand side, that will be x square minus x plus 3x minus 3. Now these were x square, 2x plus x. Here both of these are of the coefficients of x, so minus 2 plus 1, that will be minus 1 into x. Minus 2 equals to x square, 3 minus 1 plus 2x minus 3. साइन बड़ा प्लस का था तो साइन आगे प्लस का आएगा. Now it will become x square minus x minus 2. We will take this expression to the left hand side and we will change their signs. Minus x square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we will combine the like terms. Here is x square, here is minus x square. Both of these terms get cancelled. Minus x minus 2x, it will be combined into minus 3x because their signs are same. Here is both of them are negative sign. So minus 2 minus 1 will become minus 3. Now minus 2 plus 3 will become plus 1. That will be equals to 0. Now this is not a quadratic equation. No. This is not a quadratic equation because its maximum degree is 1. And we know that quadratic equation is that equation whose maximum degree is 2. So here it's of degree 1. So this is a linear equation and not a quadratic. So our answer will be no. Now let us do fourth part. 2x square minus 2 into 3 minus 6x plus x minus 3, that will be equals to x into x square plus 5x. So we will take this expression to the left hand side. 2x square, 6x plus 1 is minus 5x, minus 3 minus x square minus 5x equals to 0. Whenever we are taking the expression to the left hand side, their terms will be changed their signs. So we will combine the like terms. 2x square minus x square will be x square, 5x and 5x same sign, so minus 10x minus 3 equals to 0. This is of course a quadratic equation because it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So yes, it is a quadratic equation. Now next part is fifth part. So here will be 2x square minus x minus 6x plus 3. First of all, we multiply these two terms, then this with this, and then this term and this term. Similar criteria will be applied on these two factors also. So x into x will be x square, x into 1 will be minus x, 5 into x will be 5x, 5 into minus 1 will be minus 5. So here will be 2x square, 6 plus 1 minus 7x. दोनों के साइन नेगेटिव हैं तो ऐड अप हो जाएंगे और नेगेटिव साइन आएगा आगे प्लस 3. Now we will solve the right hand side. X square 5 minus 1 4x minus 5. Take this expression to the left hand side and combine the like terms. So 2x square minus 7x plus 3 minus x square plus 4x plus 5 equals to 0. Whenever we are taking any expression to the left hand side, their sign will be changed. So 2x square minus x square will be x square, 7x plus 4 will be minus 3x, 3 plus 5 will be 8. So this is a quadratic equation because it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So yes, it is a quadratic equation. Now we will do the next part. X square plus 3x plus 1 equals to a minus b whole square. This is the identity of algebra, that is a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we will apply it over here. X square plus 4 minus 4x. We will take this expression to the left hand side and combine the like terms. Minus x square minus 4 plus 4x equals to 0. So x square minus x square will be cancelled out. This will go 3x, 4x will become 7x. 1 minus 4 minus 3 equals to 0. Now again this is not a quadratic equation because it is of linear equation with degree 1. So no, this is not a quadratic equation. That's all. Now let's do next part. A plus b whole cube. We know the identity of algebra, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now we apply it over here. A is 1 into x, b is 2. So a is x, b is 2. X cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into x square into 2 plus 2x into 2 square. That will be equals to multiply these two terms with 2x, we get 2x cube minus 2x. So that will become x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 2 to the 4th is the 12x. That will equal to 2x cube minus 2x. So x cube, we will take this expression to the left hand side and combine the like terms. 2x cube, 6x square plus 12x plus 2x. Here the sign will be changed when we are taking this expression to the left hand side. So plus 8 equals to 0. Now x cube minus 2x cube, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are present and 2 are coming to the left hand side. 6 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X cube minus 2x cube will become minus x cube, 6x square. Now here both are of coefficient of x, so 12 plus 2 will be 14x plus 8 equals to 0. Now this is not a quadratic equation because its maximum degree is 3. So no, it is not a quadratic equation. Now we will solve it. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equals to, it is of the form a minus b whole cube. Now that will be equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Now here a is x and b is 2, so we will put this formula over here. X cube minus 2 cube minus 3 x square into 2 plus 3 into x into 2 square. Now it will become x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. We will take this expression to the left hand side. Minus x cube plus 2 cube minus will become plus. So here will be 3 into 2, 6x square. 2 to the 4 into 3, 12. With negative sign 12x, which is equals to 0. Whenever we are taking any expression to the left hand side, then their term will be changed in their sign. So x cube, negative x cube get cancelled. 4x square, we will combine the like terms. 6x square minus 4x square, 2x square. Minus x minus 12x minus 13x. 1 plus 8, 9. This is equal to 0. Now this is of course a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So yes, it is a quadratic equation. That's all. Now let's do next question. This is a problem sum. So represent the following situation in quadratic form. First part is area of rectangle is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than the twice of its breadth. Find the length and breadth of the rectangular plot. Now we are given the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle, that is 528 meters square. Now length of the plot is 1 more than twice of its breadth. Now let us suppose breadth of rectangle, that be b. Now so length will be twice the breadth and 1 more than the breadth. Now so area is 528 meters square. According to the question, area of the rectangle will be equals to twice of L plus B. Area is 2 into L into B, that is 528. So here L is 2B plus 1 into B. 528. So we multiply it, we get 2B into B, 2B square plus B equals to 528. So this is of the form quadratic equation 2b square plus b minus 528 equals to 0. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, which is of the quadratic equation form. Now we want to find this situation into the quadratic form. So this is of the 2b square plus b minus 528 equals to 0, which is a quadratic equation form. Now let's do second part. The product of two consecutive integers is 3 and 100. Find the integers. Now we are given with two consecutive integers. Now two consecutive integers are, let first integer is x and second will be, that will be of course x plus 1, because these two integers are consecutive integers and हमें पता है कि consecutive integers एक मोल होता है previous one से. So previous, if one is x, then second will be x plus 1. Now we are given that the product of these two consecutive integers are 300. So according to the question, x into x plus 1, that will be equals to 300. X square plus x equals to 300. So taking this 300 to the left hand side, x square plus x minus 300 equals to 0, which is of the form quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we can solve this situation into the quadratic form. That's it. Now let us do next part. Represent Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We will like to find the Rohan's present age. अब जो हमें फाइंड करने के लिए दिया होता है वही हम लेट कर लेते हैं. तो लेट्स Rohan's present age equals to x years. अब रोहन की प्रेजेंट एज हमने x मान ली. According to the question, Rohan's mother age is 26 years older than him. Then Rohan's mother age कितनी होगी? Rohan's mother's age वो कितनी होगी? x plus 26. ये रोहन की मदर की प्रेजेंट एज है. Rohan's mother age is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother's present age. This is Rohan's mother's present age, that is x plus 26. Product of their age is 3 years from now. Ab, after 3 years, Rohan age will be, that will be x plus 3, and corresponding mother's age will be that will be x plus 26 plus 3, which is x plus 29. Now according to the condition, according to this question, product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. दोनों की जो एजेस हैं उनकी 3 इयर्स के बाद उन दोनों की जो एजेस का प्रोडक्ट है वो 360 होगा. Now 3 years from now will be x plus 3, product of their ages x plus 3 and x plus 29, that will be equals to 360. Now we will solve it. X square, x into x square, x into 29, 29x, 3x plus 29 into 3, 87. So we are left with x square plus 29 plus 3, 32 plus 87 minus 360, that will be equals to x square plus 32x. Now 273 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a is 1, b is 32, c is minus 273. So this is of the form quadratic equation. That's all. Now we will do last part of this question. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 more hours to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of train. अब हमें find क्या करना है? Speed of train. So let us consider let speed of train. जो हमने find करना उसको let करके चलेंगे. Let speed of train will be x kilometer per hour. अब हमें given क्या है? A train travel at distance of 480 kilometer. So distance of train, the distance traveled by train. So distance traveled by train, that will be equals to 480 किलोमीटर. अब हमें स्पीड का फॉर्मूला पता है, स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. अब हमें स्पीड हमने लेट कर लिया, डिस्टेंस हमें गिवन है, तो टाइम कितना होगा? तो टाइम टेकन बाय ट्रेन दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू टाइम टेकन बाय ट्रेन दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू t, that is time will be distance upon speed. So distance is 480 and speed is x, that will be distance upon speed. So time equals to distance upon speed. Distance is 480 and speed is x. This is our first case. Now we will do the second case. According to the second case, if speed had been 8 km per hour less, then अब हमें क्या दिया हुआ है कि स्पीड हमने 8 किलोमीटर आवर लेस कर दी है. नाउ स्पीड ऑफ ट्रेन विल बिकम पहले x किलोमीटर थी, उससे 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर कम कर दी तो x माइनस 8. तो कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग क्या आएगा? इट वुड हैव टेकन 3 आवर मोर टू कवर द सेम डिस्टेंस. अब हमारे पास डिस्टेंस सेम है, तो अगर हमने स्पीड कम कर दी तो अल्टीमेटली हमें टाइम इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें पता है कि स्पीड और टाइम दोनों इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है. अगर डिस्टेंस सेम है, स्पीड अगर कम कर दोगे तो अल्टीमेटली टाइम इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि दे आर इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू ईच अदर. सो टाइम टेकन बाय ट्रेन दैट विल बी, टाइम कितना इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा? 3 आवर्स मोर. सो टाइम विल बी t plus 3. अब अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सिचुएशन, डिस्टेंस दोनों का सेम है, तो स्पीड मल्टीप्लाई बाय टाइम. सो हियर विल बी स्पीड मल्टीप्लाई बाय टाइम. डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल्स टू स्पीड मल्टीप्लाई बाय टाइम. डिस्टेंस हमारा कितना है? 480. अब स्पीड हमारी कितनी होगी? x माइनस 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय टाइम. टाइम हमारा हो गया t प्लस 3. नाउ x माइनस 8 और t हमने कितना पुट किया है यहाँ पे? t इज इक्वल टू 480 अपॉन x. सो 480 अपॉन x प्लस 3 दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 480. नाउ वी मल्टीप्लाई 480 x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 480 अपॉन x, x मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस, x multiplied by 3 will be 3x minus 8 multiplied by 480 upon x minus 8 multiplied by 3 24. So x के साथ x कट हो गया, 480 plus 3x. अब 8 0 0 और 8 8 the 64, 6 carry, 8 4 the 32, 32 plus 6 38 upon x minus 24 equals to 480. अब जब हम इसको इधर लेके जाएंगे तो 480 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, तो वी आर लेफ्ट विथ 3x minus 3840 upon x minus 24, taking LCM 3x square minus 3840 minus 24x, 0 into x will be 0. So this is of the form 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 equals to 0. This is of course a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a is 3, b is minus 24 and c is minus 3840. So this is all about the quadratic equation of exercise 4.1.